Hello and welcome back. In the last two videos, you learned how to create your facility and trainer appointments. In this video, you'll learn how to customize your settings for each. So let's get started. You're going to click on the menu icon on the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings button. You've already seen this area when you set up your payment integration. Now you're going to click on the Bookings tab, and you're going to scroll down to where it says Personal Trainers and Facilities. If you have PT appointments, you're going to enable your PT bookings so your members can book the appointments. You set your cancellation window. Usually with one-to-one appointments, the cancellation window would be quite large. For example, 12 or 24 hours before the appointment is about to start. Allow bookings to be made anytime means that the member can see, in this case, 2 weeks, and the member can book any appointment in those 2 weeks. If you want to restrict how far in advance the members can make a booking, you will toggle this on and put in the time period. So for example, if I want my members to only book the next week, I would put in 168 hours because that is equivalent to 1 week. So the members can see 2 weeks, but they can only book sessions in the next week. Then we have the close booking window. So allow bookings until appointment starts means that if, for example, there is an appointment at 6 a.m., the member can book the session at 5:59 a.m. Usually trainers like to have a little bit of notice for their sessions. So we have the closed booking window for you to put in the time by which members need to book in for the session. So taking the 6 a.m. example, if I put 6 hours here, that means that the member must book the class by midnight, the session by midnight. Then we have the timetable and how far into the future the timetable displays. So usually people do 2-4 weeks, usually not much longer than that. But you can put as far into the future as you need. For those of you who have facility bookings and you want to enable your members to book your facilities, you will enable bookings and you have the same exact settings that you can customize here as in the personal training area, but they don't have to be the same. So that's how you customize your settings for your personal trainers and your facilities. Once you're done, don't forget to click on Save Changes. See you on our next videos.